famous reindeer of all. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very...
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lilah. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, today is this glam that I did. I showed you what products I use for my face and eyes and lips and stuff. So the only thing I didn't show was the was my brows, but it's the same thing I've been using as my elf brow pencil and stuff. So that's what I've been using. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use the shade Basic. So what a fitting shade name, right? So I didn't apply a base to my lid. You can if you want to, but I am just gonna go in with this shadow, and I'm gonna do let me get in closer. I'm gonna do my face last, just in case if I have fallout or anything. And you can see this shadow applies so nice. I don't think I've used this palette in so long. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas. I enjoyed watching other people's Vlogmas and stuff to see what everybody else was doing. I can't believe Vlogmas pretty much ends tomorrow. I'm probably gonna post on the 26th possibly, or the 27th. My son's birthday is the 26th, so the day after Christmas. So yeah, so his birthday is the day after Christmas, which is crazy to me, but so I'm probably just gonna record and stuff. Next shade I'm gonna go into is the shade Rowdy. I'm just tapping off the excess, and I'm just gonna start tapping the shade on. Actually, I'm gonna bring the shade down to my lid. And then I'm gonna go back in with my fluffier brush, picking up no excess product, and I'm holding the brush at the end and lightly blending these shades together. Okay, next shade I want to play around with is this shade called Hush. I might have to spray my brush, but I'm gonna try it on a flat brush, and it is a really, really pretty shade. So I'm gonna apply that on. So that's with no spray. So I'm picking up more of that Hush shade. I'm just applying that. And I didn't pick up anything, and I'm just tapping off the excess, and I am just gonna smoke out the lower lash line. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna go in with is, I haven't used this foundation in so long, but it's a drugstore foundation. It is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover, and this is the 220 Natural Beige foundation that I am going to be using today. And I'm just gonna apply that to my foundation brush. I'm gonna make sure I close it, because last time that I can remember, if you leave the top open, it'll start to kind of spill out and stuff, and I don't want to waste it. So I'm just gonna stipple this around. This foundation is. It just gives like a nice sheen. It is light to medium coverage. Got hair. So I can't believe Vlogmas is pretty much over. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I know the videos I was posting was very different and not really so much makeup related and stuff, but honestly during these times I haven't really been wearing makeup, so it's like either we've been like chilling or whatever. So But it's nice to be applying makeup today. Like, I really like how it's coming out so far. And then I'm gonna go in with my tried and true Call Me Maple. And I'm taking a Lexi small contouring brush and I'm just gonna stipple that on. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and then I'm using a Morphe R2 brush. This thing is super fluffy and I love it so much. So I'm just gonna stipple this on top of that cream contour. I'm gonna take an OG, this Amrezy ABH highlighter, and I'm just gonna do the tip of my nose. Like, look how pretty that is. And right up here. Okay, lip liner, I use Makeup Forever and Anywhere Caffeine. I need to get a darker brown, you guys. I keep saying that, but I need to get one. Then I think I'm gonna go in with Stripped from ABH. I think I'm gonna use this one. Let's see. It almost looks pink. I'm gonna go with KKW in 2 Nude. This packaging is so pretty. Okay, you guys, so I just applied my lashes in the shade, wow. The lashes I'm using is Lilah. This is the cute box it came in. It's Lilah. So very just soft and not too crazy, but I think it goes well with the Glam that I just did and stuff. It's not like pow in your face, even though I want some nollies. I need nollie. Those are my favorite lashes, honestly. But yeah, this is how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. If you guys have that palette and recreate it, just tag me, let me know. Show me your looks, or if you have a palette that's similar to it and stuff, because I feel like there's a lot of palettes out there that kind of have these same shades and stuff that you can recreate and stuff. And I feel like this is just a really quick, easy glam to do. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up, comment something down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support that you guys have been giving me and stuff. And I actually enjoyed doing Vlogmas this year. So today's Vlogmas 24 and tomorrow's Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and hang out with the fam and stuff. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
It's frightful, but the fire is so delightful.